All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neil. I'm the founder of Enroute.ai. Our mission is to power the next generation of e-commerce by simplifying last-mile logistics. It's no surprise, next slide, please. It's no surprise that we have been buying everything online. And our expectation is that we want everything delivered to us not just instantly, but also for free. This is great for customers, but it puts a lot of pressure on small businesses that are not Amazon, which makes them go towards, next slide please, aggregators, which give them a convenient delivery solution. But the problem with aggregators is that they essentially own the customer experience. And not just that, they can charge you up to 30% in commissions and fees. That's where we come in. We want to provide these companies with a software that enables them to provide an Amazon-like delivery experience while also reducing costs. Our software is made up of 3 components. The first one is an AI-assisted route optimization solution, which allows them to plan their delivery routes for the day. The second is an app for their drivers to go about making their deliveries. And finally, for the end customer to see where their delivery is every step along the way until it reaches their home. Next slide, please. So how are we different? Compared to other software that exist, we have machine learning algorithms that learn from every single delivery. We learn traffic patterns, for example, where to park, building entrances, and so on. The second part is about on-demand deliveries. More and more deliveries are now going towards on-demand. But if you use legacy software, they allow you to plan static routes a day or two in advance, which doesn't help with on-demand deliveries. Our optimization is not just real-time, but also dynamic. And finally, if you look at last mile operations, it used to be hub and spoke where you have a warehouse somewhere outside the city and a delivery van comes, makes all the deliveries from that warehouse. But more and more, what's happening in this space is you have dark stores, you have micro-fulfillment centers in the neighborhood, which are not supported by legacy software. Our software has been built ground up to support this kind of delivery operations. Next slide, please. We've been in business for about 18 months. And we have 6 customers in 7 cities. We have already shown cost benefits of over $100,000 for our customers. And we are also growing rapidly. We'll be in 10 cities by the end of this year. Next slide, please. All right, what's next? So if you look at Amazon or FedEx delivery drivers, they make about 200 to 300 stops in one shift. Whereas the customers that work with us, they're at 35, 40 stops every shift. So what it means in terms of dollars is that Amazon delivery drivers are, Amazon is paying about $2 per delivery made, whereas our drivers are paying $8. So our vision is that as we scale, we can combine shipments, not just from one shipper, but across shippers to get the same geographical route density and achieve the same costs as Amazon and FedEx. Towards that end, we are raising a seed round, next slide please, to help us scale to more businesses, and I would love to talk to investors in the logistics space. Thank you.